this video we try to explain all the details about this resort, live landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the resort, category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. Here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.6, which is the fabulous. On the screen, you can find all the restaurant details we provide, including information about the cuisine, ambience, open call, and dietary options. Room category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Room category 2. Room category 3. Room category 4. Category 5. Category 6. Category 7. Category 8. Category 9. Category 10. Category 11. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, 11 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is excellent and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 2 p.m. and the check-out time is 12 p.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you